My name is Whitler. I am a senior. I'm double majoring in physics and mathematics, and I am the founder of ASU Society for Women in the Physical Sciences. And today I'm going to show you how to make ice cream with liquid nitrogen. So here on the table I have all of my ice cream materials. These are Oreos. I have vanilla extract, sugar, half and half, all of my bowls, and then finally the critical ingredient, which is the liquid nitrogen. You may have heard of nitrogen in the atmosphere. Liquid nitrogen is the exact same stuff, except in liquid form. And we're going to use it to freeze our ice cream today, because liquid nitrogen is very, very cold, and it actually boils at a temperature of negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. So what that means is that it turns from liquid back into gas at negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very, very, very cold. I'm now going to pour this liquid nitrogen into my bowl. You will notice that I am using metal bowls here. That's because this nitrogen is so cold that you can actually crack plastic or some other material, so we're using metal to be safe. If you're doing this at home, you may want to also wear protective equipment such as safety goggles or gloves. So now I have my liquid nitrogen in the bowl. Now I'm going to start making the base for my ice cream. So step one, I'm going to add my half and half. And you can actually make this vegan if you want to at home with coconut milk. One serving of liquid nitrogen ice cream, you want to use about half a cup. Next I'm going to add my sugar. About a tablespoon of sugar for one serving. And finally, my vanilla extract. You can do it to taste, or about a quarter of a teaspoon will work. So right now I just have a liquid base for ice cream. And now I get to do the fun part, which is add the liquid nitrogen. Now it's just ice cream and you can have fun with it. So I'm going to add my Oreos. I'm going to make cookies and cream here. And now I have liquid nitrogen ice cream. Like ice cream. Science is something that can be done by any gender, any race, any sexual orientation. The goal for the Society for Women in the Physical Sciences is to provide an inclusive and welcoming community for all members of the physics and CC community here at ASU. This group is not just open to women, it's gender inclusive. So the types of events that we do are more community and social driven. So recently we had a liquid nitrogen ice cream social. In the future we hope to have more professional development geared events, things that women specifically may experience in the field that others do not. I know that in my experience here at ASU, there have been a minority of women in my physics classes. And I feel that the way to get more representation in the field is to foster community and foster a group of supportive women who can, as well as support each other, also be role models for the people who come after them. I think it's going to be a snowball effect. The more representation that we can build today, the more representation will follow us.